So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to fix you cannot send a friend request on your Facebook. So basically, some people allow only friend requests from Facebook via friends of friends or no one at all. So you can't change their settings, but you can message them or follow them instead. So just like this, you cannot add the person because he or she removed or doesn't allow anyone, or she only enables friend of friends feature. So the other thing is you have been blocked or unfriended. So you also hit the friend request limit. So basically, Facebook limits you to 1,000 pending requests and a total of 5,000 total friends. So basically, you have a maximum of 1,000 friend requests and 5,000 total of friends on your Facebook account. So you can cancel old requests under sent requests and unfriend inactive accounts if you near 5,000 limit. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.